Nothing is as beautiful as seeing someone who has been unlucky in their relationships being loved effortlessly by the right person. Not easy, right? If you have been very unlucky in your relationships and finally you get a person who loves you effortlessly, it's like, wow, what else do you need? Love is so superb, so beautiful, so cozy. I don't know what all to say. Being in love is something like being the happiest person in the world. Yeah, love is something something magical, something. Oh, I just love it. The feeling itself, I'm just like feeling so nice. So today morning when I was sitting on my sofa, my son came. Whenever he comes back from the gym, he spends some time with me. So he just came and kept his phone. I just took his phone and asked him, just tell me the password. I told him. He said, Amma, I cannot give you my password. I'm a teenager. I'm having a lot of stuff in the phone. So don't ask the password, he said. I said, you know my password. He said, you are different, ma. I take your phone for what? Only to browse Amazon, to see Amazon and Swiggy or something like that. I never see your messages. He told me, look, I have nothing to do with your messages or whatever you're having in the phone, whatever files you're having in the phone. I just want to know whether you're having a girlfriend or not. Because whenever I see him talking, no, over phone, I'll just ask him, girlfriend, girlfriend. I ask him. He said, no, Amma, no girlfriends. So today, what he said, no, Amma, if I have a girlfriend, you will be the first person I'll be informing. Then he said, Amma, unless and until I get a girl like you, I am not going to love, You are so understanding, he said. I was like, oh God, again came Mama's boy. Why all men want to get a woman like his mother? Even girls say the same, I just want a boy who loves me just like my father. What do you understand from this? They all want to remain babies. All want to be get pampered like a child. But how much we do in our relationships? We don't. We don't understand each other. There the problem arises. So I just love the way he told me. I told, yeah. Anyway, uh, I will not force you for any kind of marriage. If you want, you choose your girl. कोई भी लड़की हो, I will allow you to get married to her. That's what I told him. So, yeah, get married to the person whom you know well, whom you think you can spend your whole life with. Don't destroy your life by just marrying anyone, okay? Jai Hind, all the best.